Yeah, I'm filming it. Well, some people don't mind us filming trains. It was a class 150.
But you said not to try and get the people out of it.
Yeah, it's 150. It's stopping. It's stopping. No, it's stopping. It's 150, 267, go to Radar. There's the doors. Okay, your train's about to leave. Here goes. Here goes. 152.67. Okay, bye.